Hi guys, so today I worked on setting up an action menu. Let me show you how that looks. You click on a unit and a menu appears in the corner with the action that the unit can perform. Right now that's just move, but the whole point is that it makes it easier to add more functions later. Now if I click on move, the movement range lights up as before, um, and I click on a tile and the path towards the tile lights up in yellow, and click again and the unit moves there. So it's kind of the same flow as before, just with a menu in front of the movement. But the interesting part is not the menu, but how it works. Every action in the game is going to be a subclass that derives from the base class called unit action. So here, move is a move action. When I add attack, it'll be attack action. And if I add shoot, that'll be shoot action. Each one knows two things: which tiles it target and what happens when you execute it. Every unit right now just has move action, but um, in the future I can expand this for an archer to have both move and shoot action, for a healer to have heal action, and so on. They're going to be based on whatever fits the unit's role, and the menu doesn't know what the action actually does. It just reads from the list of action and generates those buttons. For adding a new action, I just add that specific action class, add it to the list, and it shows up as a button in the menu. There's no change in code for the menu script. So one of the fun bugs I discovered while working on this was that clicking on the move button also kind of deselected the unit. It was because the click hit the button but also fell through to my input controller, which raycast into the world, saw nothing and figured the player must have clicked away from everything to deselect. Fix was simple. It's Unity has a built-in check. Is the mouse over a UI element right now? If yes, my input controller just skips. The UI handles its own clicks and the game handles the rest, not competing with each other anymore. So that's kind of it. You select a unit, the menu appears, click on the move button, and you commit to move. So only move right now, but the whole system is ready for the next action to slot in. All right, that's kind of it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.